Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. This is Mathematics third lecture of GCE. In the last lecture we discussed till the question number 6, C part. I given you D part as a homework. Hopefully you have done it. If by any means you are not being able, just do it here. They are saying 730, which is nearly equal to 729, which is nearly equal to 729. So I am taking the under root, and that is nearly equal to under the root 729. Because I changed the sign this from perfectly equal to nearly equal, so it means that I can write 29. Why I wrote 29? Because 29 can be written as 9 into 9 into 9 under the root. So it is nearly equal to 9 cube, and these are all the cubic roots. These are all the cubic roots. So yes, we can write this cubic root can be cancelled with this, so 9 is the answer. Now we are turning our focus to question number 7. And question number 7 is difficult for me but easy for you people, because showing it on camera and recording every button click is a bit difficult. If somebody is in front of me, he or she can see it very easily, but here I have to manage the things. There are different types of calculators. Different calculators have different functions. So you can do it on any calculator. I am taking one of them, and this can be done by every calculator. The question is saying use a calculator to evaluate each of the following, leaving your answer correct to 4 decimal places. Let me write the first question, the A part, and then we will do that on the calculator. So 7 square minus, and then we are having 361, and then we are having plus 21 cube. As a mathematician, you must understand the usage of calculator. There are certain questions which are very easy without calculator, but there are certain types of questions which are extremely difficult without the use of calculator. It is not possible that we can't do any question without the calculator. We can do without the calculator because this is fed by the human being inside the calculator before doing any manual work. So we can do, but why should we waste our time if there is available a facility with us? Ladies and gentlemen, for this you must have this scientific calculator. On standard calculator, there you will face difficulty. First of all, I am writing the steps. The first button you have to press is 7, and then the second time you have to press x square, which is available in the calculator. If I can show it to you and if you can see it here, there is x dot, but here it is x square. So you have to put this value. For taking the square, this button is used. In the third portion, you have to press the minus, and then you have to press the square root sign. So this is a square root, and you have to directly print it because there is a small square inside it, and that represents the values. When you press this under root, so automatically this parenthesis start is coming, and then you have to type this 361. I am writing it in one button, but in fact you have to write it in different button. First press 3, then 6, then 1, and then I am also taking advantage of the time to press this parenthesis close. In fact, you will have to press 4 different buttons. First 3, then 6, then 1, then parenthesis close, and then you have to press plus sign, and then you have to press 2 and 1, and then you have to press X, and here is a dot. Here is a dot, and then automatically this start parenthesis is coming. Then you have to press 3, and at the end you have to press this close button, and at the end you will press this equal symbol. So it will give you the answer. As you can see that I wrote exactly in the same fashion, and the answer you can see that 9291 is the answer. Now we are coming towards the B part, and the B part is a bit complicated one, not that much. So under the root 555, and then we are having plus 5 square, and then divide by, and then 2 raised to the power 3, and then multiplied by the cubic root of 222. Now this is the question. Ladies and gentlemen, you have to keep one thing in mind, that you have to do this portion separately, and you have to do this portion separately, and then this division symbol. So how can we do it separately? We have to enclose this in the bracket. If you are not enclosing it in the bracket, you will get a wrong answer, and I will tell you why. First step is that you have to press this, because I want to do this separately. So then you have to press this button, which is available on the calculator. And the parenthesis will come automatically. You don't have to write it. If you are writing it, it means that you are committing mistake. It is coming. So that is why I am writing. Whatever I am writing inside the rectangle, you have to write this 5 into 5 into 5, and then you have to press the close parenthesis. Then we are having 5, and then we have to press X, and here is square because we are having 5 square. Now I have to close this parenthesis because I want to do this separately, so it is enclosed inside these brackets, in fact parenthesis. Then I have to write for this long bar, and I have to press this division button, and again I want to do the second one separately, so I have to press this parenthesis. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are not putting this parenthesis, then I am telling you that 5 square will be divided with 2 raised to the power 3, and then whatever the result is coming, it will be multiplied. It means that it will be done like this: 5 5 5 plus 5 square and divide by 2 raised to the power 3, and then multiplied by cubic root of 222, which is wrong, which is not. That is why I am, because parenthesis has the higher priority, so it will be evaluated first. So then I am pressing this 2, and then I am pressing X, and here I am pressing this. So again I am telling you that parenthesis will come. You have to press the 3, and then you have to press the parenthesis. Ladies and gentlemen, then you have to press the multiply button, and in the next step you have to press shift button, which is available on the calculators at the top left corner, and then you have to press this button of square root. When you are pressing this, automatically this parenthesis will come down, and then you have to write 2 into 2 into 2, yani 2 button, and then you have to press the parenthesis close for this one, and the parenthesis close for this one. So you have to write these sequence, and at the end you have to press is equal to. I did it in the calculator, so if you are being able to see it on the calculator, then it is good. Otherwise you can check it on at your homes and then tell me the answer that is working perfectly. All right, with me the answer is 1.0024. With me the answer is 1.0024. Might be it is visible, I don't know. Let me check that whether it is visible or not. There is, I'm not seeing it, but if you are seeing it, but let me tell you, this is that shift button you have to press before pressing this one. So whatever written in the orange color will work with this shift button. Okay, this was the second and that is the most correct answer. Now we are doing the next part and that is C part. The C part looks difficult by seeing first the students are confused that how we will write this, but it is not that much difficult, ladies and gentlemen. There is 4 cube and then we are having plus and then we are having the cubic root of 4913. 4913. Now the step for this is first you have to press the under root directly without shift. And then I told you that this parenthesis will come automatically. Then you have to press 4 and then you have to press the X and dot, not square because it is cube. So automatically the parenthesis will come. Automatically the parenthesis will come and you have to press the 3 because this is 3. Then you have to press this button which is parenthesis close for this one. And then you are having to press plus and then shift and then shift and then you have to press this in which there is a plus, so it will automatically be cube if you are pressing it and automatically this will come. So you have to then type the button 4 9 1 and 3 and then you have to close the parenthesis for this one, so you will close it and then you have to close the parenthesis for this one as well, parenthesis for this one as well. So double time you have to press the parenthesis. Now I am doing it on a calculator and then will show you the result. Okay, one thing I should add at the beginning is this parenthesis, this one here, because I want to enclose all these whole things in the in the parenthesis. So I check the answer and that is coming to 9. So 9 is the answer. These were the 3 questions which were very difficult for me, but it is very easy for you because I made it very easy for you people that which button sequence you have to press. Now we are going towards the question number 8. We are going to question number 8 and question number 8 is saying that the area of a square photo frame is 250 centimeter. For example, we are having square photo frame. It means that all the sides are equal. Ladies and gentlemen, these lines represent the perimeter outer line and the inside region it is representing what? It is representing area. So they given us 250 centimeter cube is the area, centimeter square, sorry. Area is always represented in square, volume is represented in. So I am writing that area is equal to 250 centimeter square. Now area can be represented by L cross L. This is 250 centimeter square, so it will be L square is equal to 250 centimeter square, taking square root on both sides. We are having L square is equal to 250 square and centimeter square as well. So this will be cancelled with this and this will be cancelled with this. So we will only be having under the root 250 centimeter because length is represented in centimeter. So it means that we are having to find the perimeter. We found one area, one value of this. So we have to find the perimeter. But before that, I am taking my calculator. And after taking my calculator, I have to find the value of 250 under the root. So 250 under the root is giving me an answer of 15.81138883. So we are taking only these 15.8 centimeter, and that is the length of one side. For example, this is 15.8 centimeter. This must also be, and this must also be, and this must also be equal, because in square all the sides are equal. So to find the perimeter, that is 4L is the formula. Yeah, you can write L plus L plus L plus L. These are the different. So I am multiplying 4 into 15.8, and that will give us 4 multiplied by 15.8 is equal to 63.2 centimeter, and that is the answer. Now I am coming towards the next question, and the next question is telling me that is, the students are always considering these word like problem very difficult, but they are not if you are clear on your basic concept. Question is saying the volume of a box. Now there is a box which is cube, not cuboid. There is a difference between cube and cuboid. Cube is like this and they are having 3 dimension, while square is having 1 dimension, 2 dimension only. That is a flat surface, but these are 3 dimension. Our rooms are 3 dimensional because they are having x axis, y axis and z axis. They are telling me that the volume of cube, volume is equal to what? They given us to be 2197 centimeter cube. Yes, area is represented in centimeter square, while volume is represented in by centimeter cube, and you know that length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height is equal to 2197 centimeter cube. Because length, breadth and height are equal, so we can take this L cross L cross L is equal to 2197 centimeter cube, which is equal to L cube is equal to 2197 centimeter cube. Taking cubic root on both sides, we will get 2 centimeter cube. I am taking the cubic root of this. So L is equal to, and now my calculator will be in action. So find the cubic root. With shift you have to press this under root symbol, and then 2197 and parenthesis close. It is giving me 13 centimeter, because this cube will be cancelled with this and you are only left with the centimeter cube. So this is the ultimate answer of this question. Okay, now we are turning our focus to question number 10. Question number 10 is saying determine whether each of the following is a prime or composite number. And the first one is saying that 667. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to find the whether this number is prime or composite of the large number, this is very large number, you can't check it whether it is divisible by 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or 10 or 11 and so on. That is super class difficult. I am telling you, you have to do certain steps, and the first step is find the square root. Find the square root of the given number. Find the square root of the given number. Here I am finding 667 under the root, which is equal to, let us do it under the root 667, and that is equal to 25.8. That is the first step. In the second step, you have to enlist all the prime numbers less than 25.8, and they are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and 23. That is the second step. And in the third step, check the given number, which is in this case is 667. I am writing it also. Check the given number by all the enlisted numbers. That is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. I am starting from the left side. to save the time, you can write it from you can use the calculator inside this. So this is not divisible by any number. 667 is divisible by only 23. So it is not a prime number. It is a composite number. This is the way. For all the questions we have to use this. The second one is 677. First of all, you have to find the square root, and that is also 25 point something. Let us find it. 677, and that is equal to 26.01. 26.01. 26.01. Almost 26. Unless the prime numbers which are less than 26. So 2, 3, 7 up to 23 I am writing. So again we have to check whether these numbers are divisible by any one of the prime numbers. If you check from the beginning till the end without wasting our time, I did it already for you. This number is not divisible by any of the prime number. You don't have to check all the number. So 677 is prime number. 677 is a prime number. Now C part is another one, and that is 2021. 2021. Yes, 2021. Your first job is to find the square root. Your first job is to find the 221 square root, which is equal to 43, I think, which is equal to under the root 2021, and that is equal to 44.9. So it is 45. 44.9 is nearly equal to 45. Yes. Now you have to enlist all the numbers from 2 and which is less than, or you can say which is the largest prime number less than 45. The largest number of prime number which is less than 45. So all the way 2, 3 and going on up to 43. If you check all the numbers, this number 2021 will not be divisible by any number. It is only divisible by 43. Divisible by 43. So it means that it is a composite number because it is having more than 2 factors. So it is a composite number. Now the next one is saying 2027. That is the D part. 2027. First we have to find by the calculator 2027 and 27 under the root, which is equal to 45. Again it is coming as 45. So you enlist 2027 under the root, which is equal to 45 again, and enlist all the numbers. It is not divisible by any number less than 45, the prime number. So it is a prime number. It is a prime number. Now we have to go to the 11 number question, and these sort of questions are coming inside the these sort of questions are coming in the CIE exam. What it is saying, if P and Q are whole numbers, means without decimal, such that P cross Q is equal to P cross Q is equal to 37. Find the value of P plus Q. Find the value of P plus Q. I am writing because 37 is a prime number. So the other factor will be 1. So it means that if you are taking, I am writing, it doesn't matter, either P is equal to 1 or Q is equal to 1, or P is equal to 37 or Q is equal to 37. It doesn't mean. So it means that P is equal to 1 and Q is equal to 37. So what we have to find? We have to find P plus Q. So P plus Q is equal to 37. So 1 plus 37 is equal to 38 is the answer. 38 is the answer. Question number 12, which is the last question of this exercise, and they are saying that n into n plus 42 is, if n is a whole number such that n multiplied by n plus 42 is a prime number. Yes, it is a prime number. So it means that 1 and n plus 44 will be the factors. Find the prime number. What is that prime number? Explain your answer. I'm explaining it. Here n is equal to 1. There are two factors of it. One is n and the second one is n plus 42. So if you are taking n as a 1, so 1 multiplied by 1 plus 42, which is equal to 1 into 44, because 1 plus 43, and the answer is 44. That prime number is 44. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your patience. It got a bit longer, but today I wanted to finish this, and tomorrow we will go towards the HCF and LCM. That is also an amazing story. Don't miss the tomorrow's lecture. For that particular purpose, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be notified when I upload the next lecture. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.